Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem Rakakadash. Shalom to the elders for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely, and shalom to the Akim scattered the four corners of the globe preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And I say shalom to the Akim out there, and this is a sit-down lesson that I want to bring out of this recent news article from the Jerusalem Post by Reuters, published August the 11th, 2023, and it reads, magnitude of a 6.1 earthquake strikes Hokkaido, if I pronounced that right, my apologies, Salakia, of Japan, and this was a magnitude of a 6.1 earthquake, the GFZ reports. A magnitude of a 6 strikes the Hokkaido in Japan on Friday. The German Research Center for Geoscience of GFZ says the quake epicenter was 46 kilometers and 28.58 miles below the Earth's surface, the GFZ says. And this is the book of Luke, chapter Salaki. It's the book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 11. As we continue to see these earthquakes to continue to increase. This is the book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 11, and it reads to the Holy Scriptures. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs shall there be from heaven. So with that, hopefully this quick sit-down lesson was edifying of this recent news article from the Jerusalem Post by Reuters, published August the 11th, 2023, as it says again, magnitude of a 6.0 earthquake strikes Hokkaido, Japan, the GFZ reports. And I would like to give all praises, glory, and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem Rakakadash. Shalom to the elders for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely, and shalom to the Akim scattered the four corners of the globe preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And until next time, I will say shalom.